you need one laptop or desktop, or you should arrange it. So please try to arrange, and then you have to install the software. Then only you may start this class. Right now, what you can do, you may just follow the steps. You may write down those, but later on, when your system will be ready, at that time install the software and try to do yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is it
Okay.
possible to arrange the computer? Kamal, is it
No,
possible
sir.
to arrange?
No, sir.
Not right now, but within 1 week or 2 weeks, it is possible or not?
No, sir. My family condition is very, very poor, sir.
Okay.
Financial
Then
condition.
one thing you do, you go through this, go through the materials, and try to write down those in your notebook. Once the university open, at that time you may come here and you may start practicing here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am sharing my screen with you. So this is my AutoCAD 2022 window. So in our last class, probably we have discussed uh, trim, right? Extend.
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yes.
স্যার আপনি কি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা নিয়ে নিয়েছেন?
Nebo. Wait,
ওকে
I will take the attendance.
ওকে স্যার।
Move, copy these options. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Trim, extend, offset. Okay. Arc command, arc command, arc draw command, ellipse, text, text. How to write text?
Text
Yes.
done.
Okay. Copy was not shown. Okay. So first thing I will demonstrate with a copy. So this will come under your modify toolbar. Say for example, I have already drawn one circle. I want to make copy of this. Then how to copy this thing? So I will take this copy command. Select object. I need to select the object. Okay. If the selection is complete, press enter. Now specify base point or displacement or mode. Okay. Specify base point. I want to select this is the base point. Say 1, 2. If I make ortho on, so in this direction I can copy the objects, right? Again I am taking the copy. Say this is my base point. Enter. Okay. So this way you can copy the objects and you can place it. Now here you see in my higher version AutoCAD 2022, easily I can copy at multiple places. Okay. But in lower versions, you need to change the option. Here also in AutoCAD 2022, suppose I am selecting this one, select object, okay. Now in mode, MODE mode. So if I want to access the mode option, then I need to type O. Do you agree with me? Because O is the capital letter here in mode. Enter. Here you see enter a copy mode option, single or multiple. Single means you see what happens with single option, single. So specify base point, say this is my base point. After one copy you see there is no option to make another copy of this. again you need to take the copy command to make another copy of this. Do you understand this thing? So here also you may change the option and you can do accordingly. Suppose I want to copy this thing, select object. Now in mode, here you see it is single. Okay, so I may change to multiple. If I try to use multiple, then I have to type M, say base point. Okay, understand? So this way you can do it. Now here you see why we are selecting a base point. Take again this copy command, select object. Specify base point. Suppose I am taking a base point here, not the center point at this point. Now I want to place it. I am making ortho up. You see, it may be difficult to place accurately of that object, of that copied object. Do you understand this thing or not? Because this offset distance is there. If I select the center of the circle as the base point or quadrant of the circle as the base point, then it may be helpful when you are trying to place the object in your drawing. But it depends on your drawing. What you have to do, you have to see the object, and depending on that, depending on the object, you need to select the base point so that it helps you when you try to place the object. The point is clear to you? Please respond. Do you understand what I am trying to say? So carefully you have to select the base point so that easily you can handle the object, you can place the object at your required places. Is it clear? Now this is copy. So is there any problem to make the copy of the object? Any problem? Can you do it me? Are you doing with me or not?
Yes, sir.
So can you do this thing? Okay. Now see, I have made this type of multiple objects in a pattern. There are 3 rows of the object, this circle, and 3 columns of the circles. Okay. Now with this copy I can do like this. Also it is possible to make this type of pattern using this array command. Do you understand? The similar thing can be done using
স্যার
this
ফার্স্টে
array.
কপিটা আরেকবার দেখাবেন, আমি একটু ডিলিট জয়েন করছি।
Yes. Okay. Uh, After this command, again I will show copy command. Okay. Let me
Okay,
finish
sir.
this array command.
Yes, sir.
Again I will do copy command. Okay. Now what I have done using copy command, I have made this type of pattern. Now same thing can be done. Say for example, I am taking one circle here. Okay. And I want to this type of pattern of this circle. There should be 3 rows of the circle, 3 columns of the circles. Then easily from here you can use one option to make this thing. There are 3 options: rectangular array, path array, and polar array. In AutoCAD 2007 you will not find this path array. In higher versions you will get polar array, rectangular array, and path array. Okay. So this rectangular array and polar array, these 2 options are there in AutoCAD 2007, but not this path array option. Anyway, now see what happens with rectangular array. I am selecting this rectangular array option. Now select objects. I need to select the object I want to make the array. Now you see here you will find how many columns you need. Say for example, I need 3 columns. Now what should be the distance between the columns? Say for example, distance maybe 400 millimeter. How many rows you want? Say for example, I want 4 rows. But what should be the distance between the rows? Say for example, 500 millimeter. If this is okay, close the array from here. By clicking here, you can close it. This part is clear. Can you do this rectangular array also? Is there any problem to do this rectangular array? Can you do this or not? If you cannot do this, please let me know. Again, I may demonstrate it. But you should do with me.
Yes, sir.
So is it possible to do make this rectangular array? Is there any person who could not make this rectangular array? Is there anyone? Shreyas Tripathi, are you doing it or not?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Krishna Bor,
Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir.
can you do this? Is there
Yes,
any
sir.
problem?
No, sir.
Shobhik, can you do this? This rectangular array? Okay. Ramiz Ahmed,
Yes, sir.
is there any problem?
স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি স্যার আমার ল্যাপটপটা একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে স্যার, দোকানে দিয়ে এসেছি স্যার, ওটা আমি রেকর্ডিং হচ্ছে স্যার, দেখে নিয়ে আবার প্র্যাকটিস করে নেবো স্যার।
Okay. Ankit Prasad, you are not here. Anyway, may I proceed with this command? So I am erasing it. So I will press enter, erase all. Now again I am doing the copy. Okay. Suppose I have one, it may be say one rectangle, any object. When there are multiple objects you need to select, then first you have to select the objects, then you have to use this command. Okay. Say for example this one. I have one rectangle like this, and I want to make the copy of this rectangle. Take copy, select objects. Now you see, when I have made the rectangle using line command, there are 4 separate lines. I think you understand this right now. But when I draw this rectangle using rectangle command, there is single entity, or it has single entity. Okay, there is single object. That means there is, it has single entity. So I need to select all the lines. Okay. If the selection is complete, then press enter. Now current settings, copy mode multiple. Okay. Specify base point. I may select this one or this one or this one or the midpoints. So it depends on you and where you want to place this object after copying it. So accordingly, you need to select the base point. Suppose my base point is this corner. Say second placement will be here. Third placement will be here like this. If I do not want to copy again, then press enter. Now this copy command is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as I said earlier also, I can do this type of pattern using array command also. Take this rectangular array, select the objects. So I have 4 objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to ensure that 4 objects have been selected? Here you find total 4. Select objects 1 found, in the last click I have selected 1 and 4 total. Press enter. Now here you see it is asking for number of columns, rows, etc. Say for example I want 3 columns, and distance between this column is say 1500. Rows I want say 2. Here say 800 millimeter. Okay. Can you do this rectangular array? Is there any problem?
স্যার 2007 এ তো স্যার ওই ডিসটেন্সটা দেখাচ্ছে না রো আর কলামের মধ্যে কত করে হবে।
No, you will not get this pop-up later on. Okay, you may share your screen at that time. I may help you.
ওকে স্যার।
If possible, you may shift to AutoCAD 2022. Then it will be easier for me to demonstrate the whole thing. Anyway, there may be some other constraints also. So you present your screen. I may help you. Okay, present now. You may present now.
হ্যাঁ স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Yes. Make any object there. Okay. How many rows you want?
এদিকে 6 দিয়েছিলাম, এখন কলাম দিয়েছিলাম 4।
Okay. Now row offset, that distance is the gap between the row.
আচ্ছা স্যার।
Okay. Column offset, also the same thing, the distance between the column. Angle of array, here right now it is 0. If you change the value, say 30 degree or 40 degree, so the objects will be arrayed with an angle.
ওকে
Okay.
ওকে স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
Can you do now? Change the value. Have you selected the object? Probably the object is not selected. 0 object selected, you see. Yeah. Select that thing. Enter, enter, enter. Not like that. Press enter. No, it is. Yes. Now preview, go for preview. Since you have put very small value of the offset distance, that is why the objects are overlapping.
ওকে স্যার, বুঝতে পেরেছি, ঠিক আছে স্যার, করতে পারবো।
Okay. Okay.
Yes স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes স্যার।
Okay. One thing. Okay. Say for example, one circle is here. I am doing the rectangular array. This one. Now here the angle should be there. Rows, labels. Can you find the angle? Okay, later on I will show how to change the angle here also. Okay, it is possible to change the angle also. Anyway, later on I will show you. Anyway, now what I want to show, suppose I have one big circle, and here say at this point I have one small circle, but I want to array these objects, or I want to make a copy of this object at say 10 places with same angle or same intermediate angle. Then how to do that thing? So for that you have to select polar array, Then select object, the array object should be selected, press enter. Now specify center point of array or base point. So here I should select the center. Yes, it is there. So this is my center point. Now here items, say for example, I want 10. Automatically it will calculate the angle between the objects 36 degree now. Now I can fill up to say 270 degree. So that is up to you. Okay. You may pressure. Now see, this is the case. So this is called polar array. Earlier what I have made, that is called rectangular array. This is called polar array. Is it clear? Can you do this in AutoCAD 2007 also? You will find that angle to fill, how many numbers you need. All the things are there. Okay. Can you do this polar array? May I proceed with the next one? I am going so fast. Can you follow this thing? Should I go slow?
Sir, show this once more.
This polar array.
Yes, sir.
So this is the case. I have one big circle, but there is one small circle here on this big circle. It may be somewhere else also. But the thing is, to demonstrate this, I have taken this example. Now I want to make the copy of this small circle at say 12 places with equal angular distance. Okay, with equal angle in between the objects. Now what to do? So from here or from modify toolbar also you will find the same thing. Okay, you will find the array option here, polar array. So follow the command line, select objects. So this object should be selected. Press enter if the selection is complete. Specify center point of array. So the center point of the big circle should be selected as the center of the array. Then you will get this window, and here you can change the number of items. Suppose for my case it is 12, and this between angle between the objects is 30 degree. Fill 360 degree, you may go up to say 220. So that is up to you. You will decide. It may be 360, it may be 270. So depending on the drawing, you need to put the fill angle, and if it is okay, then press enter. Understand? Can you do this polar array?
Sir, one question. How did you turn on the center, that green line?
Okay. Polar array. Select this line or select this circle, enter. Specify center point of array. Probably that your question is here, right?
Yes, sir.
How to
One
select
green
the
line
center?
was showing that.
Yes. So try to move your cursor on this or near to the big circle. Then this center point will be shown. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Try it. Can you do? Now you can select it or not.
Yes, sir. I'm doing it. I'll do it.
Do it. Is there any problem from any student? Please let me know when I have to proceed with the next one. You take time, but you should learn. If you face any problem, please let me know.
Sir, in my case, that green cursor is not showing, sir.
Okay, you share your screen then. 1 minute. Can you show your screen? Can you share your screen here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to share it.
Yes, sir, like this.
Okay, first thing is from OSNAP. You change the setting from OSNAP. Whether center is there? No, center point should be marked on. Yes.
Uh, Sir, then it's showing, but then after I am selecting like this is okay, sir, but
No, you need to select accurately that center point. But to select that thing, you need to on your OSNAP, object snapping on, and center mode also should be on.
but then, sir, when I am trying to draw one small circle here, then it's the
No,
center.
no. Then the thing is, in OSNAP mode again you change it. Go to OSNAP. That point is called quadrant. After node, below it, yes, that option, quadrant. So one
Okay,
circle has 4 quadrants.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now, is there any other who is facing the same type of problem? Please let me know. If you do not ask it, if you do not let me know, then for me it is not possible. If you face any type of problem, please let me know so that I may try to solve it.
It's the same problem that green one is not showing.
You share your screen,
Okay,
then
sir.
I may help.
Sir, here is this
Hide it.
specific
Yes.
center point of the array I'm going here. It is
No,
not showing.
first thing is you change the OSNAP setting. Go to OSNAP. Yes. Center is not taken. You see, center mode should be on. Okay. Now you
Okay,
see,
sir.
you can select it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other? May I proceed? Please let me know. If you face any problem, you should ask. Otherwise, I will think, yes, you all can do this. May I proceed? Okay. So polar array, rectangular array, both options are okay with you. Now I will show what is path array. Okay. Do you know how to make one spline? In AutoCAD? In our last class, did I demonstrate it? Spline. SPLINE. No. Okay. First, I will show how to make one spline. So I want to make smooth curve with multiple numbers of points. I can draw it. So command is spline. From draw toolbar also you will find that thing. Okay. Okay. I am typing here spline, spline. Specify first point. Say this is my first point. Second point is say this here. Third point say here. Fourth point here. Fifth point here. Sixth point here. And I want to end the curve here. So press enter. In AutoCAD 2007, it will ask for start tangent and end tangent. So you need to provide that information. Then only you can draw it. Again, I am doing it from draw. You take spline. The first option fit points. Suppose this is my first point, second point, third point, fourth point. So you should know the point information to make the spline. Say this is my spline, enter it. Can you do this spline? Say this one, this one, this one. Here also we may control the end tangent. You see, if I change the position of this point, then the shape of the curve may change, may vary. Okay, so that depends on the end tangent here, end tangency. In AutoCAD 2007, you will find start tangency and end tangency. Here, that start tangent is not available, but end tangency is there. Okay, to take this end tangency, you need to type T, enter. This is my end tendency. Yes, this is my curve. So can you draw one curve using this spline? I think only Deep is using AutoCAD 2007 and all other students are using higher versions, probably. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you draw this type of curves using spline command?
Yes, sir.
Any problem from your side? Okay. Now the thing is, say for example, at this point, I have made one small circle and I want to array this circle at different locations on this curve. So that will be termed as your path array. So take this path array, select object. I want to select this object. If the object selection is okay, press enter. Select path curve. So this is my curve. Okay. Now from here also you may control it. Automatically it has selected 21 numbers of items, but you may control it. Okay. Say for example, I do not want 21. I want say only 10. Okay. Okay. So you may control the values from this. I may change the distance between the objects. Say I am trying to do say 10 and here I want to make it say 1000. Okay. So you may control it. Also you may change the number of rows. Say I want to make it 2. Is it clear? Say for example, I am trying with this one. Path array. Yes, yes. I am showing again here. Using this curve, I am doing the same thing. Okay. Please follow it. I am selecting the object. If the object selection is okay, press enter. Select the path curve. This is my path. Here you can change the number of items, the distance between these, the total distance it will cover. number of rows. Okay, say for example, number of rows, say 2. Okay, sorry. Now the distance between the rows, I may change it also, say is 1000. Now see, these objects are overlapping here at these positions. Why? Because when it is making the array of this object, this distance you see in the perpendicular direction. So perpendicular of this are basically overlapping each other. That is why here at this position, the objects are overlapping. Okay, but what is path array? I think it is clear to you. You change it number of items to say 5. Here you change the value, say changing to say 200, 2000, say. Is it okay? What is path array? That part is clear to you. In AutoCAD 2007, you will not find this command. Can you do this? Can you do all the 3 array options? Rectangular array, polar array, and path array? Okay. May I proceed with the next command? May I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am not sure whether I have discussed this move command or not.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Say for example, I have one circle, or say I have used one text. Text. This is my text point. Say 5 is my text height. Okay. Now I want to move this, or I want to move this object to say at this position. Take move, select object, enter, specify base point. Here also the base point is important. Say for example here. Say for example, I have one line here, and I want to place this circle at the end point of this line. Okay. Then if I take this move command, select this, enter, specify base point. Say I am selecting here at the base point. Now see, it is not possible to place accurately at the end point of this line. Do you understand the problem? Now what I can do, if it is required to place this object at this endpoint, I need to select the center of this circle at the base point. Move, select object, enter, specify base point. Yes, this center point should be selected as the base point. Then only you see easily I can place it. Do you understand the importance of this base point? Why it is important? Otherwise, it may be difficult to place the object at your required position. Say I want to move this thing. Copy this, enter. So at any direction, I can move the object. Is it clear? Can you do this? Okay. So far I discussed copy, array, move, spline, right?
Sir, in the move command, it is commanding me that select the objects.
Yes,
It is
you
not
need to
showing
select
the
it.
center.
No, no,
I can select two objects, the line and the circle both.
no. I think you need to decide which object you want to move, whether it is
I want
circle.
to move the circle to the endpoint of the line.
Okay, then your circle should be selected first. That is the object you want to move. Understand? So circle should be selected. Then you need to define the base point. Then you will find that.
Yeah, it is selected, but nothing. It is
Okay, you
telling to
share
select
them.
another.
Okay, you share then. You share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you share one by one. I may solve the issue.
Yes, sir. Select the objects. I have selected. Is a selected object one found.
Yes,
I
enter.
have selected.
Press
Okay.
enter. Okay.
Okay, enter
Specify base
picture.
point.
Okay.
See, there may be multiple numbers of objects you want to move in one go. Okay. So when the selection is complete, you need to press enter.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
In your the lower endpoint, it was showing in your computer, sir.
Okay, no problem. You may select the center point. Also, if the quadrant option is on, you may select the quadrant also.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, clear, sir.
Okay. So any other problem from any other? Shobik, are you facing any problem? Okay. So may I proceed with other comments?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before puja, is it possible to provide one extra class? Probably next from next Monday, puja holidays will start. Probably, I am not sure. Probably from next Monday. It is possible to arrange another class. The basic part of the AutoCAD then may be discussed. You think, you discuss and let me know. Okay. 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 Next command here is hatch. Okay. Say for example, I have made one rectangle here, or say another rectangle here. Okay. Now in your drawing, you studied that when we take section of the objects where the materials are present, there we need to provide hatch lines. Is it correct or not? Do you know sectioning of the solids? Half section, full section. Have you studied in your engineering drawing class? Yes or no?
No, sir. In the civil engineering drawing, we are facing many
No,
sort
in
line.
engineering drawing first year, this topic is included.
হ্যাঁ ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ড্রয়িং আমাদের খুবই কম পড়ানো হয়েছে মানে জাস্ট বেসিক টুকু পড়িয়ে ছেড়ে দেওয়া
Do you know ortho projection, orthographic
Yes,
projection?
yes, yes.
But section, you do not know section.
Orthographic and isometric projection গুলো পড়ানো হয়েছিল বাস ওটাই
Okay,
লাস্ট
okay, okay. Do you have any drawing books with you? Soft copy or hard copy? Any drawing book? Who is the author of that book? Andy Bhatt. Very good book. So you do one thing, because this section, all things will be required in your next drawing classes. Here in AutoCAD also, it will be essential part of this. So sometimes you need
সুব্রত পাল
no better you go for Andy Bhatt book. Soft copy of engineering drawing book probably is available. Machine drawing book is not available, so machine drawing is not required. You go only for this engineering drawing book. There you will find multiple numbers of problems with solutions. Okay, so you take some problems from there and try to develop the drawings. Okay, the book is very nice. If you go through the book, you will understand what is written there and what to do. Please try it. If you face any problem, you may ask me. I mean, we may sit for say 1 hour or 2 hours with taking one extra class. So there we may discuss that part. But first you go through the book. Engineering drawing is essential part. Okay, without the concept of this, it is not possible to go for your building drawings or other drawings. So you need to understand what is there. So you go through that engineering drawing book, particularly your ortho projection, your section. Okay, if you face any problem during the puja vacation, you may go through. After the puja vacation, you may let me know whether you are facing any problem or not. At that time, we may discuss the topics. Understand? Right now, you understand like this. When there are materials, sometimes to see the internal details of one object, if I take normal ortho projection, always it is not possible to see the internal details of the object. So sometimes it is required to cut the object, cut the object with one imaginary cutting plane. And we want to see that cut object in your normal ortho projection. But where materials are present at those portions or those parts, we want to show those parts with hatch lines so that we understand there are materials. Understand? So if it is required to show the drawings in section, we need to provide the hatch lines. We call it hatch lines or section lines. Okay, so here I want to show how to draw the hatch lines in your drawings. Okay, so here hatch command is available. This is called hatch command. Okay, if I take hatch command, you see pick internal point. So I can pick this internal point. But the thing is, for our engineering materials, engineering metals, what I use here in our engineering applications, generally for steel, say mild steel or any other steel materials, generally we use this hatch pattern ANSI 31. Try to remember the pattern name ANSI 31, ANSI ANSI 31. Okay, so if I take this ANSI 31, you see these hatch lines are basically drawn with an angle. That angle is 45 degree. Okay, that angle is 45 degree. Now you see the line spacing or the spacing between the lines can be changed or can be modified. So here using this value scale angle or scale, sorry, not scale angle, scale hatch pattern scale, we may change the spacing, line spacing here. Suppose I am making it 5. You see what happens there. You see the gap between the lines are increasing. So this, using this scale value, we may change the line spacing between the hatch lines. Okay. Here you see angle value is 0. But when we are taking this ANSI 31, this angle 0 means the lines, hatch lines, have been drawn using 45-degree angle. Suppose here I want to make 45 degree. Then 45 plus 45, 90 should be the hatch lines. You see vertical lines are drawn. Here if I put say 90 degree, then 135 angle should be there. Is it clear? Now the convention is when there are two different materials in one drawing, then you need to differentiate the hatch patterns. So you cannot use the same hatch patterns. Now to differentiate the hatch patterns, either you may use different angles, one for 45 degree, one for 135 degree. Also, you may change the line spacing of the hatch patterns so that we may understand there are different materials. Okay, so when you learn the section from your ND Bhatt book, you will understand fully what is there. Please go through that book. My request, please go through it. After the puja vacation, please let me know whether you are facing any problem to understand your section. Understand? Now here also you see I have another. See here also I can put the hatch pattern, but at this time I want to make it, sorry. No. In one go, if I select this thing, in one go, if I select this, then the both things will be changed. Okay. So one by one, I should do it. Hatch ANSI 31. Here the angle say 5. Okay. Process. Again, you take the same hatch, but at this time I am changing the angle to 90. Okay. I may also change the scale value here. Understand? Can you do this?
Sir, I am facing some problems, sir.
You may share your screen then.
Sir, when I'm selecting, then this white thing is coming, sir.
Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to change the scale. You have to increase the scale value. Double click there. Yes. Your scale now is 1. No. Scale here. You see where you have selected ANSI 31. After that ANSI 32. After that you will find pattern. In the next column you will find hatch transparency. Below that angle. Below that 1 is written. Yes. There you need to change. Make it 10. Okay. Again you change it. Increase the value. Make it 50 say. Understand? So that is the reason why basically for your case it was so dense that you cannot differentiate the lines. For the next one also you may change the value.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other problem? Any other problem? Now here we have taken a point, internal point, to select the boundary. Also, it is possible to select the individual lines to select the object, and inside the boundary you may draw the hatch lines. But remember, to give the hatch lines, there should be one valid boundary. Otherwise, you cannot provide the hatch lines. Is it clear? Okay. Now today up to this I will discuss. In my next class I will discuss more comments. Now please
বাউন্ডারি
discuss.
ব্যাপারে একটু বলুন তো একবার স্যার
The
লাস্টে
thing
কি
is,
বললেন ওটা একটু
yes,
বলুন তো
yes. The thing is, to provide the hatch lines, there should be one valid boundary. If there is one gap like this, it is not possible to provide the hatch lines. Understand? So then hatch lines will come out from the boundary. So one valid boundary should be there to provide the hatch lines. Okay?
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Okay.
ওকে স্যার
So in our next class, we will continue with other comments also. But please try to give me one at least one class before the puja vacation. So you discuss. You please let me know so that I can take another class before the puja. Shobi, is it possible to give me one class? Friday when? From 2:30. No, from 2 it is possible. From 2:30 I think from 2:30 also I may arrange. Okay, okay. So then I will confirm you the timing, but on this Friday I will take one extra class. Okay.
Sir, initially I missed my attendance. Can you give my attendance? Suman
No,
Acharya.
I did not take the attendance. Right now I will take the attendance.
Okay, okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Now Shomodip Modok,
Present, sir.
Ankit, not present. Probal,
Present, sir.
Pronoy, Dhura Binit, Shibham Mondol, Swastik Acharya,
Yes, sir.
Swastika, okay. Shreyoshi De, Amon Kumar Singh, I have marked you present. Shantanu, Shreyas Tripathi,
Present, sir.
Suchandrima Das,
Present, sir.
Oishik Bishwas, Devmallo Chatterjee,
Present, sir. Sir, I failed to give the attendance at the end of the class, end of the previous class.
Okay, okay. I know. Ritam Shao,
Present, sir.
Ranojit Das,
Yes, sir.
Krishna Bor,
Present, sir.
Vishal Mondol,
Present, sir.
Deep Haldar,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার
Sumon Acharya, yes, Deep. Sumon
Present,
Acharya,
sir. Suman Acharya present.
yes, Shovik, Ramich Ahmed Sardar,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Sumit Saha,
Yes, sir.
first you have to join in Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
then I can online test, and also we will give some assignments. So those who do not have the laptop or desktop, I have to take any other measure. Your condition thing is with understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Any question, you may stay back, we may discuss, otherwise you may disconnect. Okay, thank you then.
Thank you, sir.